Polar bears are dying, trees are being cut down, and the earth is slowly diminishing every day. This is all due to the effects of global warming. A change must be made and fast.
Global warming is when the Earth's temperature increases due to the greenhouse gases that are exposed into the environment. Some greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane.
This issue is completely caused by humans. Scientists have recently found that global warming is mainly due to the burning of coal, oil, gas, and deforestation.
This picture represents it perfectly. The greenhouse gases make a covering around Earth, allowing sun rays in, but not allowing them to exit, making the Earth much, much warmer.
The burning of coal and chopping down trees may give humans more access to cars and land. However, this only produces more greenhouse gases. When there are more greenhouse gases, it acts as a barrier that allows less heat to escape into space and instead trapping it into our air.
If we reduce deforestation, then it would be possible to decrease the amount of fossil fumes or greenhouse gases that are being produced. Deforestation is the chopping down of a forest, usually to create more land for humans to build upon.
When we cut down forests, all the animals living in the trees end up being homeless, and they are forced to either die away or find a new home to adapt to. Adapting into a new habitat can be very challenging. It would also lead to the overpopulation and affect the flow of animals within the land.
Sun's extreme unprecedented warmth on the area, but also due to the heating of the ocean. In fact, 2 massive ice shelves on the Antarctic Peninsula have disappeared in only a matter of weeks. This is leaving many animals, like polar bears, without a home and left to die.
Polar bears and penguins are directly affected because they are not able to swim all the time. They must go underwater to hunt, however they must go back on land after. The Arctic sea ice is another place they could hunt. However, the ice made in fall is disappearing earlier and earlier every spring. Facts have shown that the more ice that melts, there is a higher chance that these animals will continue to go extinct in as little as 100 years.
When the ice melts, it also affects the humans because sea levels will rise on certain lands and leave other parts of the world parched. The rising sea levels could possibly overflood lowland islands and even the coastal regions, such as Florida.
Over 1 million species have become extinct due to disappearing habitats. One animal recently extinct is the golden toad of the Central America, last seen in 1989. This animal was the first to become extinct due to climate change.
The golden toad is a prime example of a unique species that once lived in the mountaintop forest, but disappeared due to fatal droughts.
The issue of global warming has affected us closer than we think. On May 19th, a pipe from Plains All-American Pipeline bursted on the coast of Santa Barbara.
More than 105,000 gallons of oil were spilled, and at least 21,000 gallons have poured into the Pacific Ocean. What a tragedy!
This is a problem of global warming because the animals affected by the spill, if not rescued, will die.
This is a result of the oil blocking the animals' ability to come up and breathe oxygen. Global warming may also be the source of multiple tornadoes that have violently struck southeastern United States in the recent years and have wiped out the homes and families of our fellow Americans.
To add to the horrible results of global warming, it was recently discovered that heat waves in India due to the destruction of the ozone layers are resulting in a death toll that has recently hit at least 1,000 people. And researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, have said that if global warming continues to occur, that the number of heat waves will increase and more people will die.
So not only are we destroying the environment, but we are also destroying ourselves.
However, there are steps you can take to reduce global warming. A simple first step is to recycle at home. By recycling half of your household waste, you can save up to 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide from being created.
Solutions include making vehicles and buildings more energy efficient, purchasing electric cars, walking or biking, using compost bins, saving paper, and even just raising awareness of the arising issue can help. The changes are not going to come overnight, but we have to start somewhere and soon. With the little changes in every person, there's a possible way to make a difference.
We will respond to the threat of climate change, knowing that the failure to do so would betray our children and future generations. Barack Obama.
Preservation of our environment is not a liberal or conservative challenge, it's common sense. Ronald Reagan.
We must be the change we wish to see in the world. Gandhi.